Me inclino a no estar de acuerdo. Me
means me, or myself. It's a personal pronoun, first person singular, pronounced
me.
Similar to the English word. It acts as the subject of the sentence, indicating the speaker's own inclination.
Inclino.
The first person singular present indicative form of the verb.
Inclinar.
Meaning, to incline, to lean, or to be inclined. Pronounced
een-klee-noh.
with a soft
En.
sound and a slight stress on the second syllable. It expresses the speaker's tendency or predisposition towards a certain opinion. A preposition meaning to, or, towards. Pronounced as in the English word father. It indicates the direction or object of the inclination. Connecting
Inclino.
to the following clause.
No.
An adverb meaning not. Pronounced
No.
a simple negation. It modifies the verb,
Estar de acuerdo.
reversing its meaning.
Estar.
The infinitive form is
Estar.
meaning to be. However, here it's conjugated in the infinitive form after indicating the speaker's state of being, not in the sense of existence, but of condition, feeling, etc. It forms the main verb of the subordinate clause with
De acuerdo.
pronounced
Estar.
with a soft
R.
sound.
De.
A preposition meaning of, pronounced
De.
linking
Estar.
to.
Acuerdo.
It establishes a relationship between the state of being and the agreement.
Acuerdo.
Means agreement or accord. Pronounced
Acuerdo.
with stress on the second syllable and a soft
De.
sound. It completes the subordinate clause, indicating the state of agreement or disagreement. Putting it together
Me inclino a no estar de acuerdo.
means, I am inclined to disagree, or, I tend to disagree. It's a polite and nuanced way of expressing disagreement, suggesting a predisposition rather than a forceful assertion.